According to MSME Ministry's 2021 annual report, 20.37% of micro, small and medium enterprises are owned by women entrepreneurs. The number is increased from 13.72% in the past 10 years. Really, the growth is very low, but women are making big difference in society by creating their own disparate business opportunities. The government of India is also taking every essential initiative to help rural as well as urban women entrepreneurs by providing them mentorship programs, skill development programs, financial assistance, etc. etc. In fact, India is also changing in every aspect. New age businesses are taking over traditional businesses and innovation is at its peak. So today I am here to discuss 3 schemes implemented by Government of India which help women entrepreneurs to get financial assistance. So without wasting our time, let's get started our video. First scheme is Bharatiya Mahila Bank Business Loan. Established in 2013, the main motive is to promote women entrepreneurship by easily providing loans to women entrepreneurs for capital requirement or business expansion. Under this scheme, women entrepreneurs can avail up to 20 crores loan for a manufacturing enterprises, up to 5 crores loan for a retail and service enterprises. It's a collateral free loan up to 1 crore rupees. Interest rates are 10.15% to 13.65%. Under this scheme, 4 types of loans are provided. The first loan is Bharatiya Mahila Bank Shringar Loan. Loan for beauty parlor, saloon and spa business. Age criteria: minimum 20 years and maximum 60 years can avail this loan. Repayment tenure up to 7 years. No collateral required. Purpose of loan: for purchase and construction of shop and purchase of tools and equipment. Second loan is Bharatiya Mahila Bank SME Easy Loan. Loan for small and medium enterprises. Age criteria as per profile and requirement of SME. Repayment tenure up to 7 years. No collateral required up to Rs 1 crore. Maximum loan up to Rs 20 crore. Purpose of loan: for traders, services and manufacturers. Third loan is Bharatiya Mahila Bank Annapurna. Loan for food catering business. Age criteria: minimum 18 years and maximum 60 years. Repayment tenure up to 3 years. No collateral required. Purpose of loan: establishing catering unit for selling lunch or tiffins. Fourth loan is Bharatiya Mahila Bank Parvarish. Loan for establishing a daycare center. Age criteria: minimum 21 years and maximum 55 years. Repayment tenure up to 5 years. No collateral required. Purpose of loan: for establishment of childcare center, purchase of utensils and other equipment. Now Bharatiya Mahila Bank is part of SBI. So you can get all information related to this scheme at your nearest SBI branch. Second scheme is Sant Kalyani from Central Bank of India, offered by Central Bank of India for both new and existing women entrepreneurs. Loan offered for micro or small enterprises engaged in manufacturing and service activity. Professional and self-employed women like doctor, CA, engineer can also avail this loan. Under Sant Kalyani scheme, loan up to Rs 100 lakhs, no collateral required. Under this scheme, an applicant can avail a loan up to Rs 100 lakhs along with a margin rate of 20%, base interest rate 9.70%, loan up to Rs 10 lakh 9.95%, loan Rs 10 lakhs 200 lakhs 10.20%. Purpose: to meet capital expenditure and to meet day-to-day expenditure. Third scheme is Mudra Loan, launched in 2015 under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. Loan offered for startups, individuals, business owners as well as women entrepreneurs. Under Mudra Loan scheme, it is offered under 3 categories: Shishu, Kishore and Tarun. Loan amount up to Rs 10 lakhs. Repayment tenure up to 5 years. Purpose is to uplift MSME enterprises in India. These loans are offered by commercial banks, public or private, regional rural banks, scheduled urban cooperative banks, state cooperative banks, microfinancial institutions like NBFC, microfinancial institutions, society, trust, etc. etc. For more such informative videos, just subscribe to our YouTube channel FinGyan by Darshit.